So once again, when they start in the morning, because it's got no choke, I give it a wee sniff of brake cleaning off, away it went. I think it's got a cam in it, it seems to pull like a train. Now that I've got all the HT leads working. One of my problems here is this mechanism. So I'm going to have to get that wee thing out there, and it seems to be stuck in. So I don't know how, I might have to get a hacksaw into that. I'll maybe take off these air filters and get a wee look in, and then do the dashboards. Got this wee Halfords toolkit. It's actually got a lot of stuff in it, it's useful. Look, wee test light, jubilee clips, a whole lot, you know. Anyway, shitty ratchet, but that's it. So for those that like power tools, this is a thing called a ratchet, and it works with motion from your arm rather than a battery. Anyway. You just tighten that wee pinch bolt, and that's the choke cable attached. Dashpot filling. Push it right up to the top. Get the oil out it and tighten it. It's now got an oiled dashpot. That's it damped. Both sides, it's got a wee vent hole as well. Like if it's overfilled, it can come out the top, you see. That's that. That's the dampers done. All I did was wiggle the fuses and the lights have started to work again. That's the result. Cut them off. Oh, working. Excellent. Excellent. Right, now put these carbs back on. That's a good wee day then. There. Right. I wouldn't say these are the easiest things in the world. Could do with a wee electric ratchet on this now that I've got it started. But you get the idea. So I'll be back shortly once this is tightened up. Look at that clevis pin, it's just ready to jump out of there and I'll lose all drive with the throttle. I'll need to go in and get a split pin in the Halfords now. Not the video I thought I would bring to you today. Not a lot to see really. The clevis pin for the throttle linkage is missing the Z-clip, so I had to cobble something together with some M4 bolts and some nuts outside Halfords. It's enough to get me home. I'll send away to the MGB Hive and all that for the right carburetor linkage stuff. And it's just neglect, it's stupid stuff. I managed to get the side lights working. hope. We'll go outside and see if they're working again now. Yeah, that'll be me. Brilliant. So, actually a productive day. It's a great wee motor this. Just wish that things worked on it. Like fuel gauge, temperature gauge. You know what I mean? Yeah. We'll get there, still have fun. Get stuff like that done this summer. Look at that clevis pin, it's just ready to jump out of there and I'll lose all drive with the throttle. I'll need to go in and get a split pin in Halfords now.